Hello, this is Mrs. Garple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to group data into what are called bins and use the frequency of the bins to create a histogram. So here we have 50 data values of the 50 most populated neighborhoods in Denver in 2018, and it's the median income in thousands of dollars within that neighborhood. So bins have to be equal size. They have to be scaled the same. So you'll notice that each of these bins goes by 20s. Now, the number 20 will not go into the first bin. 20 starts the second bin, and we go up to, but we don't include the 40. And you'll see what I mean here in a minute. And fortunately for us, all 50 numbers are in numerical order. That makes things a little bit easier. And my first bin is 0 to 20, and I see that I don't have any numbers in that range. So I'm going to put a 0. The next bin is 20 to 40. So I want all the numbers up to, but not including the 40. So this is my second bin. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values in that bin. So the frequency is just how many of them occur in that bin. And then 40 through 60 has quite a few more. We have all of these yet on the top row. And then we have these, but remember, we don't include the 60 on the second row. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I don't want to include that 60. I need to stop here. So I think it's 16, but I'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 16. And then we start with the 60 to 80. And again, we are spanning a couple of rows. So I'm going to mark this a little bit different than I did the last ones. I'm going to underline it twice. And we're not including the 80. So we have 2 on this third row, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then 80 to 100. I can go ahead and circle. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 to 120 has 2. 120 to 140 has 2. 140 to 160 has 1. And then we don't have any in these last two bins. So we have the frequency or the number of values within each bin. Now, to create a histogram, make sure my numbers match. Yes, they do. I need to have a scale that goes with my median income in thousands. So that first column is my horizontal axis. My frequency is the number of Denver neighborhoods. That's going to be my y-axis, my vertical axis. So here we have those intervals that match our first column. Since I didn't have any from 0 to 20, I'm not going to do anything. But 20 to 40, so from 20 to 40, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bar. Let me change the thickness of my pen here. I'm going to create a bar up the 20 to 8 and across and down the 40. So this represents that there are 8 households in this neighborhood with a median income of $20,000 to $40,000. Then 40 to 60 is up to 16. Now with a histogram, we connect the bars. There's no space in between them unless the bin is empty. That's the only time you'll see a space in a histogram is if a bin is empty. There aren't any values in it. 60 to 80 is at 14. 80 to 100 is down to 7. 100 to 120 has 2. So does 120 to 140. And then we have 140 to 160. And we don't have any bins after that. So this is what a histogram looks like for those 50 data values that we had showing the median income in the 50 most populated neighborhoods.